Nice, how nice they look.
Nice, yeah, this is nice to look, yeah. It's nice, yeah. And this is we call them mfatal, you know.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I am Lebanese.
Lebanese, oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well, then you know all about these birds.
Yeah, I love these birds. Are you kidding me? These birds are nice.
Yeah?
But they're cooning like cocks.
Yeah, I know, but they're hens. They're all hens.
100% proven?
Yep. Oh, yeah, that's an old hen there.
Yeah. If you want to close the door so they don't fly. Yeah.
They all go out. They all go outside.
Oh, they all go out and yeah.
See the red one down there at the bottom?
Which one? Yeah.
Red hen.
Yeah, red hen, nice, yeah. Yeah, I got
There's two powders in there.
oh yeah,
There's two
there.
powders.
Yeah, they are also hens. What's this color, Don?
Hey, I don't know what brown. I don't know what comes out.
This
Every
is
once in a while you get one of them, you
This
know?
is like a hen also?
Yep.
Wow. Wow, they're cooning like, wow, I can't. Nice, yeah, nice. I'm glad I came here. Looks like
I've had them these about 15 years. Yeah, they fly. When these young ones I raised, about 20 young ones, they fly over an hour and a half.
Oh. That's for straight, right?
Yeah.
For flying them for the straight, eh?
When
Yeah.
they were young. Now they're molting a little bit, so they're not flying too good right now.
Oh, now, yeah, they down, yeah.
Watch your head. I'm still flying them. But in another one,
Nice red checked. Yeah, it is nice.
yeah.
I have red checked also.
Do you?
Yeah, I have red checked. Yeah. Nice, nice.
Where did you get your